Alright, so if you're seeing a P1131 code, that means the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1 isn't switching properly. It's stuck, showing a lean condition. Now just to break that down real quick, bank 1 is the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. Upstream O2 sensor means it's before the catalytic converter, usually right on the exhaust manifold or just downstream of it. The job of that sensor is to switch back and forth between rich and lean signals constantly and tell the computer how the fuel mix is doing. But when it gets stuck showing lean all the time, the ECM thinks something's wrong with the air-fuel mixture or the sensor itself. Now if you don't have a scan tool, AutoZone or O'Reilly will usually loan one to you for free. Just walk in and ask. If you've got a scanner with live data, you can look at the voltage from that O2 sensor. If it's stuck low, like under 0.2 volts, and not switching, that's what's triggering this code. So what should you check? First, check for vacuum leaks. These are super common and can cause a lean condition by letting unmetered air in. Look at vacuum hoses, intake gaskets, and the PCV system. On a lot of engines, these are right on top near the intake manifold. Next, check the O2 sensor wiring. Since this is the upstream sensor, the connector is usually near the exhaust manifold or along the firewall. Look for melted wires, loose plugs, or corrosion. If that checks out, consider cleaning or replacing the sensor. These wear out, especially if the engine burns oil or runs rich for a while. Also, if you've got a dirty MAF sensor, that can throw things off too. It might be underreporting airflow, making the mix leaner than it actually is. It's usually located right after the air filter box. And don't forget about fuel pressure. Weak fuel pump, clogged filter, or dirty injectors. Any of those can cause lean conditions. Fuel system problems affect the whole bank, so they're worth checking if nothing else stands out. So yeah, check for vacuum leaks, inspect and clean the O2 sensor, look at the MAF, and make sure your fuel pressure is solid. Clear the code and take it for a drive. If it doesn't come back, you're good. That's it for this one. I'll catch you in the next.